Oh, all right, guys. So I welcome you all to this class tonight. How has your week been? Hope you guys, for those that are trading already, I hope you guys are making money. Uh, as you can see right now on my screen, today is Friday, and the market will be closing in the next, let's say 1 hour, 8 minutes. Market will close till Monday. So under 1 hour, 8 minutes, or let me say in this class, I'll be teaching you how to use the MetaTrader 5. Understand? It is very, very simple. That's why I'm sharing my screen. So I'll be explaining some things to you guys, and you'll be asking your question, I'll be answering. So it will be a conversation class, a discussion class. Ask your question, I'll answer you, and like so. Let's just get started. So now, as you can see, I was explaining something in the last, like in the recent class. I've been explaining some things. I said the bid price, the ask price, spread, blah blah blah, like that. So now I said the quote currency and the base currency. So right here, this is the first currency pair you're seeing, which is GBP. So GBP there, it is the base currency. Then the AUD there, you're seeing it is the quote currency. Now for the second one, you're seeing AUD JPY. AUD is the base currency, JPY is the quote currency. You understand? Now, what you're seeing right here is the market price. You understand? Now you're seeing something, you're seeing the first thing here, the first price here, you're seeing another price here. You'll be like, okay, why am I seeing two prices? That is the difference. And I explained something to you, I think in the last class, that's spread. So now I'll open the chart to you guys now, and I'll show you guys what I mean by the spread. So you see it by yourself, what I've been explaining. See the practical aspects. I'm coming. So you see the practical aspect. So I want you all to first of all launch your MetaTrader 5. Then on this search button, click on it. So once you click on it, type in GBP. So everybody, please do that right now on your MetaTrader 5. So type in GBP. You understand? So I expect everyone to do that. If you've done that, please let me see your make a sign, or just let me know, because you guys have to follow me throughout this class. I have to make sure you guys are following. So if you've done that, please let me know. Let me know. The way I've done mine, just click on that search button and type in GBP. All right, guys. Uh, okay, Mr. Joshua, you've done that. I can see you. All right. Okay. If I see someone else, one more person, then we'll go ahead. We'll continue. Let me know. Let me know, please. We have to be very, very fast. Mr. Jamiu, are you there? Mr. Timileyin, Mr. Allen, Mr. Abdul, Mr. Boye.
Yeah, I'm done with mine.
Oh, okay. All right. Now, once you click on the search button and you type it in, then you see something like plus sign. So if you want to add it, if you want to add that pay, okay. So if you want to add that pay, all you need to do is just click on that plus sign right there. So I will just click on the plus sign. I will click it for everything right now. So I'll click plus. I'll click plus. You don't have to bother whether it is adding or not. It is adding. Just trust yourself and trust the process. So as you can see, boom, everything has added to my collection. So these are I was explaining something in the last class, in the recent class, that market and the like. So these are the markets you can go into and trade. Understand? So I will still be explaining some things about MetaTrader 4 and 5. Sorry, MetaTrader 5 per se this night. The slight difference between MetaTrader 4 and 5, it is just some basic difference, you understand, which I will probably explain this night or in the next class. So basically, in the next few classes, it will be practical aspects because I want you guys to know about where you are going to trade. You understand? So before we continue with the theoretical aspects, you understand? So it is very simple. Just calm down. Very, very simple. So now, if I click on any of this, So let me just click on this first one, GBPAUD. If I click on it, you can see that something popped up. You can see trade, you can see charts, you can see details, you can see statistics, you can see delete, you can see cancel. Now, if you feel like okay, you want to delete any of the pairs here, like you don't need it in your favorites anymore, you can just click on delete to evaluate. You understand? Now, if you want to click on, if you want to analyze the market or want to see what the market is doing, just click on charts. So once you click on charts, so this is what you are going to see. Let me delete all of this. So I hope you guys are doing that. Go to your uh MetaTrader 5 and click on GBPAD, then click on charts. So you have to be seeing a chart like this. Now, this is for iPhone. This is how the interface looks like. Also for Android, same thing. Now I'll be explaining some things. Please take notes. Take notes. In fact, if you do not understand, you can rewatch this video. I'll post it on my YouTube. The class is being recorded right now. I'll post it on my YouTube channel. So you can rewatch and rewatch and rewatch. You understand? Because I want you guys to get it. So this is the chart. This is the H1 time frame. This is the 1 hour time frame. Now, if you want to change the time frame for Android users, just click on the screen, click on the charts. Once you click on the chart, it will bring out some round, kind of round circle something. So you see M1, you see M5, you see M15, M30, H1, H4, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. You understand? So you can change your time frame. But for iPhone users, just click on that H1 itself. So once you click on that H1, you see M1, M5, M15, and M30 and the likes. You understand? So that is how you can switch from time frame to time frame. There's something we call top-down analysis. That is very, very important in trading. Very, 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 very important. Because you can't trade based on what you are seeing on what is it called? You can't trade based on what you are seeing on H1 alone. You have to go from, in fact, for the beginning of the week, you can even start from the monthly time frame. If you're a day trader, you can start from the monthly time frame, check what's happening, start from go to the daily time frame, see what's happening, go to the H4 time frame, see what's happening, H1, M30, M15, till you get to M1 if possible. You understand? Then once you want to analyze your markets in markets open, you understand, you can check what's happening in M30, M15, H1, H4, all those kind of stuff. That's what we call top down analysis. You start from the top then to the bottom. You understand? Very, very, very simple. Now, I hope you guys are doing that already. So if you guys have opened your charts, let me know. Let me see those that are following me. If you've opened your charts like this and you're on the H1 time frame, please kindly signify. I need just one person just to show you guys are following. All right, Mr. Joshua has opened. Yeah, I see Mr. Joshua is the one following me back to back. Others should please try follow me. There's no time I would have loved you guys all to show me, but we don't have the leisure of time. So, without much time wasting anymore, now let me show you some important things you need to know. Now, first thing I will need to show you is this thing that looks like plus sign here. This thing at the top that looks like plus sign. If you click on it, all right, please give me a few minutes. Let me share my screen again. Just give me a few minutes. Please, while I'm doing that, you guys should try to check out what I'm trying to explain there. So you guys should open your chat. So once you click on GBPUD, I click on charts on the H1 time frame. Then if you click on this plus sign right here, so you see that something came up on the chart. If you click on it, you'll be able to move it up and down, up and down, up and down. So now I'll tell you the function of this. If you look at this side of the of that what is it called, that plus something on the chart, it gives you the direct price with correct precision. You understand? Like that exact point. You understand? So if you move it up, you see that the price is also moving up, it is increasing, and if you move it down, the price is also moving down. So I want you guys to go ahead to your MetaTrader 5 and try it out and see how it works. Move it up, move it down, then see how it works. So once you've done that, let me know, please. All right. Mr. Abdul said he just tried. Okay, I need about one or two persons. Then once I'm done with that, I'll show you guys how to place trade, how to open a position, how to set stop loss and take profits. Then after that, okay, Mr. Joshua to also tried it now. Then after that, I'll call it a day. So I'll answer your guys' question. You understand? So I'll teach you how to open a trade now. So I have a demo account ready to show you guys. Now, if you click on that middle button just below your phone, don't worry, I will share my screen pretty much soon. So if you click on that button, you see something like wait, let me share my screen with you. So I won't just be saying it. Okay. So if you click on this home button here, if you click on trade, here you will see something like $100,000 on your account. Yes, that is the account, that is the money given to you to trade as a demo trader. You understand? Because you are trying to see what's happening in the market. You understand? So now, if you click on this, if you click on this, you are using MT5. You see something like this and you see something like this. So click on the first one. So once you click on the first one, something will pop up like this. You understand? So now let me explain what those things mean. The one you are seeing in the middle, the one you are seeing in the middle is your lot size. You understand? You are seeing buy here, you are seeing buy here, you are seeing sell here. So the middle one, which is 0.02, is your lot size. So for the sake of this class, I'll just change it to 1. You understand? Now, this is instant market execution. If you were in the first class and the second class, I explained something about buy limits. Okay, it was the last class. I explained about buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, market execution. So this is instant market execution. So now, for the sake of this class, I'll just click on sell. So I want you all to do that. Change, click on it, click on this first thing at the top. These things will pop up. Then you change the lot size to 1. Then you click on sell. So once you click on sell, as you can see, it has opened my order right here. So I want you all to go and try it on your phone. Try it on your MetaTrader 5 now. So if you've tried it, please let me know. If you've tried it, let me know, let me know, let me know. So click on that button at the top corner, change the lot size to 1, then click sell. So let me know if you've done that with your demo account. Okay, I guess some people are still trying it. So just keep trying. Let me know once you are done. So as you can see, this is the trade I opened. It is showing negative. So yours must be showing something like this too. Understand? This is what it is showing. So, okay, someone said it is not working. Now, it is very simple. Click on the chart, click on this top corner right here, this button at the top corner. Then this stuff will pop up. Then once it pops up, change the lot size to 1. Then you click on sell. Let me input another cell again. So we are selling 2 positions already like this. Understand? So that is basically how to sell the market, how to buy the market. Understand? So now, if it is working on your end, please let me know. I need one more person before we continue the class. So I'll teach you guys how to set your stop loss, how to set your take profits. Then we'll call it a day after answering your questions. So if you've tried it and yours is working already, let me know, please. Let me know. All right, I'm waiting for you guys. So if it is showing negative like this, that means you are on loss. So currently we are negative $25 based on the account and the trading. So if it enters into profit, it will be showing blue. That's why you hear many forex traders saying we love blues, because blues means we are in profit. Understand? Basically. So once it sells and it goes into profit, it will turn blue. You understand? So I only enter this trade randomly based on the fact that I want to explain what trading means to you all. You understand? So I need you guys to give me response if the stuff is working at your end there. All right. I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting. All right. Mr. Timilen just told me now that it is working. Okay. If you have any question at all, once it is time for questions, I will entertain your question. So now we've opened our trade. Don't forget, before you change the lot size anyhow, always remember the lot size you are going to use. I've said it times without number in this mentorship. Depends on your capital. As you can see now, we are entering into profit. Wow, that is superb. You can see it is turning blue. We are up $8. You understand? So let's just leave it as we continue the class. So your what is it called? Your lot size is determined by your capital. Just because of this class, I'm using what is it called? I'm using one lot size. Understand? Just for explanation. If you have a capital of about $50, it is advisable to use like 0.02 lot size or even 0.01, depending on the trade you are taking. You understand? Wow, we are entering into some massive blues. That's nice. Okay, so now to set your stop loss. Now, if you open 500 orders, you have to set them one by one. The stop loss and the take profits. You understand? It is not a crime to open 5,000 orders. You can be a trader that stacks, but although it is not advisable, you understand. But if you're a trader that stacks, what I mean by stacking is you open multiple orders You understand? Let's say you want to open a total of 5 order, like let me say a total of 0.5 lot size, and you decide that okay, instead of opening just one 0.5 lot size, let me open 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1 5 times, or 0.01 500 times. You understand? So it depends solely on you. You understand? So now, as I was saying, to set your stop loss, you set it one by one for each order. So I'll just click on this first one here. Once you click on it, something will pop up. You see close position, you see modify position, see trade, see chart, you see bulk operation. I'll still explain this bulk operation later. But for the stop loss and take profit, just click on modify position. So once you click on modify position, you'll be taken to a page like this. All you need to do, this is stop loss. Stop loss also means SL. Take profit means TP. So you can set your stop loss. Let's say for instance you are following a signal, or you are trading based on your own signal. So you input your stop loss there and you input your take profit. So now let me go back to the chart and give you an example of stop loss. Let's say this is it. All right. Let me go to the 1 minute time frame to make it vivid. Now we entered this trade at 1.9160. Now in the first class, or let me say in the second class, I explained about pips, lot size and the likes. So now this is where we come in to use our pips. If I want to set my stop loss at 20 pips and we are selling, so basically I'll put my stop loss on top of it. So if you've forgotten how to calculate your pips, refer to the first video. It is on our YouTube channel, understand, and the second video too. So now basically what I'll just do is add 20 pips to this 0.9160. So if I add 20 pips, it will give me 91.80. So since I know that okay, my stop loss is 20 pips, I'll just go back to the chart, click on the first order, click on modify. Now set my stop loss at 91 1.9180. That is, once the price reaches 20 pips, the broker should take me out of the market. You understand? So that has been set. Then you go back to the next one again, click on it, click on modify position, click your set stop loss, go back again, then click on you type in 91 point, okay, 1.9180, modify position. So that is how you're going to do it for all the orders you've opened. You understand? Very, very simple. And also for my take profits, let's say okay, I think I'll catch about, let's say like 50 pips, or let me say 100 pips. So we entered at 0.9160. So if we are catching 100 pips, so that would be 0.9260. So I'll just go back based on my analysis. I'm just giving you this as an example. Now click on it again, modify position, then type it 1.9260. That means we want to catch 200 pips. Now you can see me myself, I made a mistake here. We are selling, not buying. So you subtract the number of pips you want to catch from the current price, since we are selling. You understand? So that will be 9060, since we are catching 100 pips. You understand? Then we'll click on modify. But if you are buying, you add it, then your stop loss, you subtract it. You understand? Very, very simple. Go to the next order, modify it 0.9060. Then it has been modified. That's how you're going to do for all your orders. Very, very, very simple. Now, if you increase the time frame, as you can see my SL right here. I can see my take profits right here. Very, very, very simple. Very simple, guys. Very, very simple. So it is as simple as that. So now I want you guys to go and try it on your Metatrader 5, and you should give me feedback. So the let me type in the SL in the chat box. SL is 1.9180, and your TP. which is the take profits, is 1.9060. Okay, I want you all to go and try that on GBPAUD. You understand? Very, very simple. So we are entering into some kind of little profit, although this is just a test trade. So I need you guys to go and try that and let me know your feedback on the comment section. Were you able to do it? Were you um did you face any kind of issue? All right, so the call will end in the next 10 minutes. In the next 10 minutes, guys. As you can see, our trade is in profit already. So for those of, if this was a live account, we are in profit already, just like that. I told you blues means profit, then red means we are still in loss till it hits your stop loss. You understand? And probably hit your take profits. Now I know someone wants to ask me, can we close when we are in profits like this? Yes, it is very, very simple. Now, let me explain how to close your profit or your loss. Let's say you want to cause loss or you want to take profit. Now, for this first order, we are in profit already. To take your profits, this is the order you want to close. Just swipe it. So once you swipe it, you see this mark button here. Click on it. So now you see close hashtag 977410 sell one by market with profit of $5.47. You understand? So you just click on that. So once you click on that, you see order has been placed, then done. You have closed your profit. It will be added to your balance. So now you can now leave this one. And now lastly, let me explain what I mean by break even. So now this trade is in profit, although it is very, very little profit due to the lot size. If you want to set break even, this is it. You set break even when you are in profit. That means what you are trying to say is, okay, I don't want to risk a lot. My trade has started entering into profit. So you move your stop loss from where it is. As you can see, this is where our stop loss is. So you move it below your entry point. So even if market hits your stop loss, it will eat it in profit, although it might be a little profit depending on the size of your break even. So if you want to move this trade into break even now, what I need to do is just put it in 1.99158, so it will be in profit. You understand? As you can see, this is some good profit already. Then you can move it into break even. So once you break even, you don't have to be afraid that okay, you lose money. You can only lose profit you've made that you are yet to close. You can't lose money again. So far it is break even. You understand? So I will entertain about two, three questions. What has any question at all? Please let me know before our time gets um exhausted already, because we have about 8 minutes, or let me say 7 minutes before this class gets dismissed. So any question? Any question, guys? Any questions so far? Okay. Mr. Robert said, well understood. So I want you guys to try this on your own. Now, weekend market is always closed, but I'll give you pairs where you can try it out on your own, that they're always open, although the volatility will be low. So you can try any cryptocurrency, just follow same procedure of searching. Just search BTC USD. You can always try to demo trade with those pairs, just to make you familiar with how to open trade, how to close trade, how to close profit, how to break even, how to set stop loss and take profits. You understand? So it is very, very simple. So any other question, Mr. Timileyin, Mr. Abdul, Mr. Wisdom? Any question before I end the call? Okay, okay, okay. Uh, any question? So if you are yet to register on my recommended broker, the link is in the description box. If you don't want to get manipulated during news events, because a lot of brokers do that, come and trade with Rockwest. The link is in the description box. Register an account, verify account, fund your account, and start trading. Get the real life experience of trading. You understand? And hopefully make massive profits and place withdrawal, flex with your money. Understand? So the link to register on RockWest is in the description box. So I guess you guys have made you've received some good informations and received some good knowledge in this class. So for your friends, or let me say if you know anyone that couldn't make it to this class today, the class is being recorded right now and it will be posted on YouTube. So tell them to watch. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, turn on bell notification because the class will still continue. So basically the class will be Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Those are the times I am less busy. During the week, I'm always very, very busy. Understand? So I think that's it for this class. As you can see, the trade we opened is in some blues. You understand? So I can just close it. Let me do it as the last thing for this class. Don't forget to take your profit, swipe it. Once you swipe it, now these three buttons, you can also click on this to set your stop loss or your take profit. And also for your take profit or you want to cut your loss, click on this mark button here. Then you click on close profits. Understand? So we're able to close some good profits on our demo account. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next class. So I wish you guys a very good evening and happy weekend. Thank you